Lecture 2, sir.
No.
What is accounting convention? Accounting convention are guidelines used to help companies determine how to record certain business transactions that have not yet been fully addressed by accounting standards. While not legally binding, accounting authorities typically recognize these methods and concepts. In essence, its purpose is to encourage uniformity and assist accountants in resolving real-world issues that may come up during the preparation of financial statements. Understanding accounting convention. There are instances when a certain circumstance is governed by accounting rules without a clear defined guideline. Accounting convention may be used in this situation. There are many presumption, conception, norms and tradition in accounting. Accounting standards frequently provide support for ideas like relevance, dependability, materiality and comparability and aid in standardizing the financial reporting process. A unified set of accounting rules, standards and procedures published by the Financial Accounting Standard Board FASB is known as Generally Accepted Accounting Principles or GAAP. In the US, public firms are required to have their accountant prepare their financial statement in accordance with GAAP. GAAP is a collection of widely recognized methods for documenting, reporting financial information together with authoritative standards established by policy bodies. Enhancing the comparability, consistency and clarity of financial information, communication is the goal of GAAP. Pro forma accounting is a non-GAAP financial reporting technique that may be compared to GAAP. International financial reporting standards are the international counterpart of US GAAP. There are now 166 jurisdictions that implement IFRS. Understanding GAAP contributes to the general rules and guidelines that help regulate the accounting industry. It makes an effort to standardize and control the terminology, presumption and procedures applied to accounting in all sectors of the economy. Topics including revenue recognition, materiality and balance sheet classification are covered by GAAP. Ensuring that a company's financial statements are comprehensive, consistent and comparable is the ultimate goal of GAAP. As a result, investors will find it simpler to evaluate and derive meaningful information such as historical trend data from the company's financial statements. It also makes it easier to compare financial data from various companies. The 10 key principles of GAAP. তার আগে গ্যাপটা নিয়ে আপনাদেরকে একটু আলোচনা করে দিই। গ্যাপটা হলো জেনারেলি অ্যাকসেপ্টেড অ্যাকাউন্টিং প্রিন্সিপাল, ফুল ফর্ম গ্যাপ। ইউএস বলেন সবখানে একটা টাইমে মানে এটা ফুল এটা ইন্টারন্যাশনাল একটা বডি, ওইটা বলছে যে মানে গ্যাপ কর্তৃক সার্টিফাইড হইলে আপনার অ্যাকাউন্টের সকল ইনফরমেশনগুলো কি মানে এক কথায় মানে কি ক্রিস্টাল ক্লিয়ার থাকে, মানে কি অ্যাকসেপ্টেড সকল জায়গায়। আসেন 10 key principles of GAAP. Principles of regularity, consistency, sincerity, performance method, non-compensation, prudence, continuity, periodicity, materiality, principle of utmost good faith. Number 1, the accountant has adhered to give rules and regulation as a standard. Where are generally accepted GAAP used? A company's financial statement and other accounting disclosure are prepared in accordance with a set of rules and process called GAAP. The FASB, a stand-alone non-profit organization, creates the standards. The goal of GAAP standards is to assist in ensuring the accuracy, dependability and consistency of the financial data given to regulators and investors. Why is GAAP important? In order to preserve confidence in the financial market, gap is crucial. Investors would be less inclined to believe the integrity of the information corporation offered to them if gap hadn't been in place. We could witness fewer transactions in the absence of that trust, which might result in greater transaction cost and a weaker economy. By facilitating apples to apples comparisons between firms, gap also aids in the analysis of companies by investors. Accounting cycle. The process of finding, analyzing, and recording a company's accounting events is known as the accounting cycle. The procedure follows a regular sequence of 8 steps that starts when a transaction happens and finish when it's included in the financial statement and the books are closed. How it works? The rigorous set of guidelines known as the accounting cycle can aid in ensuring the precision and consistency of financial accounts. Mathematical mistakes have decreased in part because of computerized accounting systems and the standardized accounting cycle procedure. The accounting cycle is now mostly automated by software, which reduces human labor and processing mistakes that come in manual labor. Steps of accounting cycle: identify transaction, record transaction in a journal. So first one, identify transaction. An organization begins its accounting cycle with the identification of those transactions that compromise a bookkeeping event. This could be a sale, refund, payment to a vendor, and so on. Record transaction, second one. Next comes the recording of transaction using journal entries. The entries are based on the receipt of an invoice, recognition of sale, or completion of other economic events. Posting. Once a transaction is recorded as a journal entry, it should post to an account in the general ledger. The general ledger provides a breakdown of all accounting activities by account. Unadjusted trial balance. After the company posts journal entries to individual general ledger account, an unadjusted trial balance is prepared. The trial balance ensures the total debts equals total credits in the financial record. Worksheet. Fifth step, to create and analyze a worksheet of debit and credit to identify necessary adjusting entries if there are discrepancies. Adjusting journal entries, এটা হইল আপনাদের unadjusted trial balance এর vice versa. Sorry, post record transaction in a journal এর vice versa. Adjusting journal entries at the end of the periods. Adjusting entries are made. These results are from correction made on the worksheet and the passage of time. For example, an adjusting entry may involve interest revenue that has been earned over time. Financial statement. Upon the posting of adjusting entries, a company prepares an adjusted trial balance, followed by actual formal financial statement. Closing book, an entity finalizes temporary accounts, revenue and expenses at the end of the period using closing entries. These closing entries include transferring net income to retained earning. Finally, a company prepares the post-closing trial balance to ensure debit and credit match and the cycle can begin anew. Why is the accounting cycle important? It's crucial as it can guarantee that the financial transactions that take place over the course of an accounting period are appropriately and accurately documented and reported. This may guarantee that companies are in compliance with federal requirements and provide them a clear picture of their financial health. Benefits of accounting cycle. The accounting cycle may help a corporation analyze financial events, prepare needed financial statement, maintain correct records, and not lose critical financial information and manage a business successfully overall. Who is responsible for performing the accounting cycle? Usually, accountants are employed to manage and conduct the accounting tasks required by accounting cycle. If a small business or one-person shop is involved, the owner may handle the task or outsource the work to an accounting firm.